Hi, today I'm going to talk about the McLeod Daily Stone. It's a solid body moisturizer that melts on contact with your skin. So you just warm it up in your hands and you glide it on your skin or wherever you need some nourishment, and it turns into an oil. And you just rub it in, massage it into your skin, and it leaves your body glowing, supple, soft, and super hydrated. The body stone has a highly concentrated formula because there's no water, there's no waste or plastic, and there's no dilution from alcohols or harsh chemicals. Truly, everything you're putting onto your skin from the stone is something that you can find in your pantry. It starts with 80% cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, which helps reduce irritation, really helps soothe and heal dry skin like eczema or cracked heels. Then there's fractionated coconut oil, and that deeply penetrates the skin, locking in hydration without any of that like grease or sticky feeling. It deeply nourishes your skin for long-lasting moisture. Think like 48 hours of hydration. Another thing that I love about the Daily Stone is that it comes in this really beautiful bamboo canister. Once you're done with your stone, you can just order a refill stone and just keep on replacing it and putting it back in this bamboo canister. I personally have tried this and then never looked back at a traditional moisturizer. This is by far my favorite body moisturizer I've ever used.